Hello mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel. This is TalktoJULIA, and for now, let's have a new phrase. Are you ready? Let's get started! You know what ahead of the pack means? When we say that someone is ahead of the pack, he is one step ahead and a high caliber. Be ahead of the pack, it means to be more successful than other people who are trying to achieve the same things as you. So do you want to be ahead of the pack? For example, if you want to stay ahead of the pack, we'll have to increase our marketing budget. In business world, we have to, or companies have to make their own strategies to be ahead of the pack. Another situation, my brother is always ahead of the pack in math and English lessons. For example, you have a new cell phone or any gadgets. You might say, this gadget is absolutely ahead of the pack when it comes to features and specifications. Especially if you have a new cell phone like iPhone, so we can say that that gadget is ahead of the pack. For gadgets, items or things which are really considered the best in the market. If you know someone or something which is or who are ahead of the pack, comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you in my next video.